Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing amazingly well. Welcome back to another lesson of English with Ashish. And guys, in this lesson, we'll understand how to use the expression having said that. Having said that is very common in spoken English. And today we'll learn how to use it, when to use it, and everything about it. So I'm excited, hope you guys are too. Let's do it. Alright everybody, the very first thing we must know about this is that it's a phrase. It is a perfect participle phrase. Starting with the present participle having. Having here is a present participle. Said here is a past participle. And that here is the object of the verb said. So having said that is a perfect participle phrase. Now what does it mean? It means despite what one just has said. Despite what just has been said, right? In spite of that. So we use this expression, we use this phrase to introduce something that contradicts what you just have said. That is opposite to what you just have said. So when you want to introduce something that goes against what you just have said, that is little opposite to what you just have said, we use this expression, we use this phrase. We'll take some examples and understand this. Example number one. Ruby is always calm and composed. Ruby is always calm and composed. So I'm talking about how Ruby is, and it's all positive. She's always calm and composed. Now, if I want to oppose it, if I want to introduce something contradictory, I'll use this expression and do that. Ruby is always calm and composed. Having said that, she got furious when I called her doo-doo. Even though I just said that she's always calm and composed, but however, she got furious, she got angry when I called her doo-doo. So I introduced something that is contradictory, that is opposite to what I just have said, right? And this is how we use this expression, having said that, right? Another example. Your performance has been remarkable. Your performance has been remarkable. So I am saying something positive about a person, about you. Your performance, man, has been remarkable. Having said that, however, we still think you can get better in some areas. So after this clause, your performance has been remarkable, I used this phrase having said that to introduce something that contradicts, that is little opposite to what I just have said, right? So that is how we use having said that. Let's take more examples. She never talked to us respectfully. She never talked to us respectfully. So I'm painting a negative picture of her. She never talked to us respectfully. Having said that, you know something little contradictory is going to come now. She never talked to us respectfully. Having said that, she always helped us when we needed it the most. So the first clause was little negative about her. She never talked to us respectfully. Having said that, however, she always helped us when we needed it the most. Another example. You are extremely talented and have been excellent at your job. You are extremely talented and have been excellent at your job. Having said that, you can't do this, man. You can't do this. Let's suppose you want to teach, right? So you come to me and you say, this is great, man, and you're basically giving me this message that you also want to teach. And I say, you are extremely talented, man. You are extremely talented and you've been excellent at your job. Having said that, even though I just said that, you can't do this. You can't do this. You can't do what I do. You can't teach because I know you don't have what it takes to do it, right? So first I praised the person, then I brought the negative thing, right? Then I talked about something negative, okay? Now, you can use the phrases "that's sad" or "that being said" or "with that being said" instead of having said that. These phrases mean just the same. Examples. The exam is going to be tough for this time. That's sad. You can still get good grades. The exam is going to be tough for this time. Having said that, you can still get good grades, right? One and the same thing. Your performance has been remarkable. Your performance has been remarkable. That being said, or with that being said, we still think you can get better in some areas. So you can use these expressions, that said, or that being said, or with that being said, instead of having said that, to give the same meaning, to render the same meaning. They all mean the same. Now, you must understand this, that these expressions are common in spoken English, right? We don't use them in writing a lot, so it's better that you don't use these expressions in writing. It's better to use one of these conjunctions that you see on the screen. However, despite that, still, regardless, nevertheless, it's better to use any of these conjunctions in your writing uh, instead of using these phrases, right? Because these are common in spoken English. These are not very common or advised to use in your writing. So that's all about today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope now you know how to use the phrase, have you said that, when to use it, how to use it, how to use it correctly, and what are the substitutes we have of this phrase, right? So hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, press that notification button. If you guys have any questions, any queries, any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, keep learning, have fun. I'm out. Namaskar.